everyone. We're going to determine if statement 3 follows from statements 1 and 2 by either law of detachment or law of syllogism. If it does, state which reason was used or which law was used. If it does not, write invalid. So we have 8 examples. There's only 5 showing here, but we're going to do 8 total. So here's the first one. It says, if an angle is more than 90 degrees, then it's acute. So here's your statement 1. If P, then Q. Okay, so then it says 2. Measure of angle ABC is 120 degrees. So that means that it's P again, because that means it's more than 90 degrees. So we have P is true. Therefore, angle ABC is not acute. That means Q must be true. That is law of detachment. All right. And the next one says if all angles are congruent, all 45 angles are congruent. So if P, okay, then our second statement is angle A is congruent to angle B. So that's if Q. And if that means angle A and angle B are 45-degree angles. So it just says all 45 degrees or angles are congruent, and A is congruent to angle B, but it doesn't say anything about that. And it says angle A and angle B are congruent angles. It doesn't follow any of these right here. Law of syllogism says if P, then Q, and then if Q, then R, then that means if P, then R. So this one is invalid. It doesn't follow the law of detachment or law of syllogism. It doesn't have the forms. Okay, let's look at the next one. It says, if you order a pie, apple pie, then it will be served with ice cream. So this is Matthew was ordered an apple pie. So P is true. That means Matthew was served apple pie. So that means Q is true. That's law of detachment. All right. And so that one's this one. Number 4, if you wear school colors, then you have school spirit. If you have school period, so here we're using our Q, our conclusion as our hypothesis, then the team feels great. All right, so if you wear school clothes, so we're back to P again, then the team will feel great. That's your law of syllogism. All right, number 5, if you eat too much turkey, then you will get sick. Now what this is saying is Kinsley got sick, so it's saying Q, and then it's going back to P. So this argument is invalid. It's not either one. He got sick, but it didn't mean he ate too much turkey. It didn't follow those 2 laws. Okay, and here are the other ones. Actually, we just have one here. So let's look at this one. If 2 is acute, then angle 3 is obtuse. So if P, then Q. If 3 is angle is obtuse, so if Q, Then 4 is acute, so that's then R. So now it's going back to if P then R. So then we have if P then R, and that's law of syllogism. Because it follows this format, and these two are the same. All right, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.